The Battle of Uhud, also known as Ghazwa Uhud, took place on the 23rd of March 625 AD, 3 Shawwal 3 near Mount Uhud, in what is now Saudi Arabia. This battle was a pivotal moment in early Islamic history, and had significant consequences for the Muslim community. Background. After their defeat at the Battle of Badr, the Quraysh of Mecca sought revenge against the Muslims of Medina. The Meccans, led by Abu Sufyan, gathered an army of around 3,000 men and marched towards Medina. The Muslim army, numbering around 700, was led by Prophet Muhammad. The battle. 1. Initial phase. The Muslims initially gained the upper hand. They positioned themselves strategically with Mount Uhud at their back. Archers were placed on a hill, later known as the Hill of Archers, with strict orders from Prophet Muhammad to not abandon their posts under any circumstances. 2. Turn of events. As the battle progressed, the Muslim forces began to overpower the Meccans. Seeing the Meccans retreat, many Muslim archers left their posts to collect spoils of war, contrary to the Prophet's orders. Khalid ibn al-Walid, who was then a commander for the Quraysh and not yet a Muslim, took advantage of this breach. He led a cavalry charge that encircled the Muslims and attacked from the rear. 3. Consequences. The sudden counter-attack caused confusion and heavy losses among the Muslims. Prophet Muhammad was injured, and rumors of his death spread, further demoralizing the Muslim forces. Ultimately, the Muslims had to retreat to the hills, and the Meccans, though not achieving a decisive victory, inflicted significant casualties on the Muslims. Aftermath. Casualties. The Muslims suffered approximately 70 casualties, including notable companions like Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib, the Prophet's uncle. The Meccans had fewer casualties, but failed to achieve a complete victory. Impact. The battle tested the resolve of the Muslim community, and highlighted the importance of discipline and adherence to the Prophet's commands. It strengthened the resolve of the Muslims and deepened their faith, leading to a more unified and resilient community. It also led to increased tensions and further conflicts between the Muslims and the Quraysh. The Battle of Uhud remains a significant event in Islamic history, teaching lessons about leadership, obedience, and the consequences of disunity.